Hey everyone, welcome back. If the Scotiabank app keeps crashing on your phone, follow these steps carefully. First, make sure that your phone software is fully updated. Older system versions can cause app crashes. Next, head over to your app store, search for the Scotiabank app, and check if there is an update available for the Scotiabank app. If there is, install it. Issues like the app crashing happen because you are using the outdated version of the app. Updating it ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes. Then, restart your phone to clear memory issues that may cause the app to close unexpectedly. On Android, go to the app settings and clear cache. On iPhone, long press on the Scotiabank app icon, remove app, delete app, then delete the app. After deleting it, to reinstall, go to the App Store, search for the app, and then download it from the App Store. Also, make sure you are not using battery saver or data restriction modes that block the app. After completing these steps, open the app again. It should now run smoothly without crashing, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick